Hello and welcome friends. So in this video we are going to see mutual fund service. So how we are going to do that one, same as well. I'm not going with that application creation. You need to go with click on new and Spring Starter project and add a dependency as Spring Boot Starter Web. So after adding this, your form.xml add all dependency which is required for web application, and you will get this one class as by default get created, and the same this annotation has been added there, and this spring application dot run will be there. Now come to the controller part. What we have done, I have just added as the request controller to for the REST API, and then we have request mapping with mutual fund service. So whatever the request needs to have mapping as the mutual fund service, and then we have created one function get mf by id, and it will map with the ones will get any id on that one, like map with directly with mfid. So this mfid coming, I have added the path variable and get got that mfid in that one in variable mfid, and here we have created a mutual list, and after that I have used the stream api to get a single mfid which match with that id. Okay, and here we have one mutual fund java class where Pojo class we have here, where I have created a private variables required as per the requirement. So mfid, mf description, nav, gain percentage, and mf type, and we have created default constructor and parameterized constructor here, and getter setters as well. So come to the application.properties file. Here I have used the port as 9091. So nothing much in that one, same thing as we have done with user details also. Like currently we are going to see all these things with array list, and in the after this microservice get created, we'll use the database as well. So let me run the application and we'll check the result of this. So application has been started successfully on port 9091. So let me check with this localhost 9091 use sorry, mutual fund service. So it will check with the mapping mutual fund service, and it will map, it will go inside this class, and after this class it will check whatever, if any function is there with map with this like this. So it will get the function get mfid, and here we have initialized the array list, and then we have used the stream api to fetch data which has the mfid given by the user on the front end. So like this, we are getting the data here. Yeah, we are getting data here as well. Let me change. So same as well, like as we have used the Pojo class, so that the Jackson mapping JSON creation is happening inside like happening internally, that we don't know like how it is happening, but it is best part of the Spring. Like we are getting everything, we are getting response in the JSON without doing anything. So that is the best part. So yeah, so in next video we'll see the next part, which is the portfolio service, as it was dependent on the mutual fund service. So I have completed this one first. Now we'll next video we'll see the portfolio service as well. So please subscribe to my channel friends. Thank you.